All right, we're back at this job, going to get the drain field laid in real quick and then get it piped in, connected to the lift station. Everything else is already set up, so that's all we got to do. Once that's done, we're out of here. Drop that 9 inches. 9 inches is better than no inches, baby. Let's get it. We're done, we're done, we're finished, we're finished. We're going home. We got it piped in. Everything is great. I think this was Garen's first header he ever did by himself. Not bad at all. Connects over there, already covered that up. Then you got the wrap around. Looks pretty good. We are back on this job. It was passed yesterday by the inspector, so we're going to start covering today. We got 4 loads of Florida's finest dropped yesterday, but we're going to get to work. Appreciate you guys watching. Subscribe and like and enjoy. Thank you. All right, we finished covering up this mound, this monster. Garen's out there throwing the hay. Missed that. My bad. It's a monster. I'm up to Garen's waist, maybe standing ground level. He's standing up there, but it's covered. Total of 12 loads of sand it took to cover this job up. Got everything that way covered. Got a rake up there by the tanks. But we're done. We're out of here. We're gonna go drop the machines off right now at job for tomorrow, and then we're gonna meet back up with this customer to get paid. And it's done. It's over. Went as planned. We're here on a job right now that just too much water use going on, so they got a blowout And so what we're going to do is we're going to come in, we're going to add 225 square feet to the drain field that's already here, which should give it plenty of room for the water usage going on, for plenty of square foot for the amount of water usage that they have. They're using about 10,000 gallons a month. I'm going to show you this blowout real quick. It's pretty severe and it's been happening for a while, so it's nasty green out here. Blowing out there, washing down. Another blowout. So we're gonna add this real quick. We're gonna get it taken care of, knocked out, and then we're out. We're gonna hit our holiday break and see you guys back when we get there. Well, as usual, we are waiting for dump trucks. Had it scheduled for this morning delivery, and here it is, afternoon, or now they're telling us it's lunchtime now, and they're telling us it's gonna be afternoon. So we're leaving. We're gonna go do something else, come back. Alright, that job's over. Didn't turn the cameras on while we were covering because we were just really ready to get out. It's been a long couple weeks. So that one's done. We're going to take a little quick vacation for about a week. And then when we come back, we got a whole lot coming up. So lots of video footage coming. Maybe like a week gap or something like that between videos. But that's it. And we got a lot coming up, working on a big project that'll be fun for video and even better for business. So I appreciate you guys watching. Like, subscribe, comment, share, all those things. I appreciate it so much. Love doing these videos. Love all the feedback coming in. Follow us on Instagram, Lakeland Septic Company. Bye.